Oh gosh darn it, it's leaking again. Oh man guys, what is going on today? D Creator here, back with another video. In this video, I really don't want to make, but it has to be made because a lot of people are facing this issue. It's that time of the year. So yeah, and the issue I am talking about is actually on my 2015 Ford F-150, but it can also happen on older Mustangs with the 2-valve or the 4 valves. Anything that has plastic couplers, you'll have this problem. So as you can see, this is my 5.0 Coyote F-150. On most Ford vehicles, their coolant connectors are actually this plastic quick disconnect. I don't know if you know this, but it tends to break over time. Hence the reason why I have tons of repairs on mine. Well, now it's starting to get to the point where it's just doing nothing but leaking. There's cracks everywhere, and it's just about that time to go ahead and replace it. Especially down here, I had to fix it 3 times, right here and also right here. It's just time to go ahead and replace it. I went ahead and looked online to see if I can find them hoses, and the hose from Ford Motorcraft is close to $200, and yeah, that's expensive. All right, I can't do that right now. It's Christmas season, I just can't. And only to replace it with the same thing, so probably let's say 5 years from now it'll just leak back over again. So yeah, I needed a little bit more permanent fix, if you know what I mean. And then I found this. So as you saw, those T-fittings was plastic. This is aluminum, and it actually got its own hose connectors, so you could just replace the hose. You don't have to replace the entire system. This is plastic right here. This is also plastic. This would still continue to be plastic, but it actually have a connector on here that you can put on here. So hopefully this will work out. I need to go ahead and put it on before it gets dark. It is really cold out, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on. Also, to let you know, this is where I got it from. For anybody that has a 15 to 2017 Coyote, and I'll also put a link down below to where you can get it from. All right, so I got everything I need set up. I got my heater, of course, since it's 32 degrees outside, I think it is. Got my spill pan. I got my spill mat from Valvomax. Thank you, Valvomax, again. I got a couple spill drain pans because it's in multiple different locations, so I'm gonna try and catch as much coolant as I can. If not, it'll spill on the mat. I also have this coolant hose close off pliers. You just close it up, pull this back as tight as you can get it, and essentially what that does is close off the coolant. So hopefully that minimizes the spill. Temperature is dropping fast, so I want to go ahead and knock this out. Enough is enough. We need to get this problem fixed, so let's fix it.
A few moments later.
FYI, coolant doesn't taste good. Yeah, gotta clean myself up. Should be able to just take this all out. And there we go. Talking about a pain. Now it's all dark outside. There's the moon and the star. It's a pretty bright star. So as you can see, plastic, aluminum, different hose connectors. No hose connector except for the one I added on there. everything looks the same. Got new connectors on there, so I ain't gotta worry about the plastic tabs. Even came with this little secondary hose, which I didn't think it came with, so that's cool. Now I just gotta throw this back on and it should be simple. Keyword should be. All right, so I got 2 more hoses left and I'll be done. It's the 2 lower hoses right here. Now what this kit comes with, it's actually something I've never seen before. Do you see that tab right there? So all you have to do is pull that off. It would release the tension on the hose clamp. It'll just release the tension on it. So let me see if I can show you how that works. And there you go. It stays in place and you just pull the thing off. All right, so now that we got all of the hoses connected, we're gonna fill it up with coolant, start it up, turn on the heat, let it run for a little bit, let all the air bubbles get out of it, and then we're gonna test drive it and see how it goes. Let's go ahead and cut to the test drive. We're on the drive, not a test drive. Plastic components on Ford. I'm going to O'Reilly's so I can get a radiator cap, because mine broke in half, just disintegrated in my hands. Crazy. Now I gotta make a run to O'Reilly's before they close and get this coolant cap that I hope they have. I looked online and they said they had a few, but you know, that's online, that's not at the store. I don't think it would be so bad if it wasn't so freaking cold. It's 31 degrees right now. I'm just ready to get this done and over with at the O'Reilly's for this situation. Unfortunately, it's not an OEM one, but hey, it'll work. Look at this guy in his Raptor. Only my dream truck, all black with the bronze wheels. Thinks he's better than everybody. I bet that little Caesar's Pizza is good too, ain't it? Okay, I didn't mean that. It is a really nice Raptor. I'm not even gonna lie. I love the light, the grill, all of it. All right, so now we're test driving. I'm not gonna lie, I am done working on this truck tonight. It's 8 o'clock. I'm tired. So hopefully I don't have any more issues. You wanna know what the best way of testing out to make sure that your hose doesn't blow off? You just do a pull. Now, I don't see a big cloud of mist or coolant or anything like that, so I guess we might be good. I think we're good. We've been driving about 10 minutes now, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it to the house and check and see if there's any leaks. Well, it just went through the first heat cycle and the fan cuts back off, so that means we're good. The coolant is still full. We're looking good. This was a headache, I'm not even gonna lie to you. Oh, the fan's just kicked on, so that means it's warming back up again. It's gonna shut back off in a few minutes. Oh, there it goes. It just shut back off. Man, them LED lights are bright. If you want to get some LED lights, go ahead and check out in the link below. Oxido Auto 1. Get you some LED lights. Use the code word creators and get 15% off. I'm so glad I got everything finished. Everything's knocked out. All I had to do is clean up my area and go ahead and go inside and see what my wife cooked me for dinner. All right, I'm finna go ahead and go inside and eat. Go ahead and check out this video right here. If you want some tips on how to work on cars easier, click on that video. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.